How to cancel Instagram subscription. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to cancel Instagram subscription. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and don't forget to switch your personal account to professional account. And then tap the followers at top right corner of the screen. At the top, you will get different options like followers, following, subscription, and the flagged. So in order to cancel Instagram subscription, tap the subscription at top right corner of the screen next to following. So at the top, you will see the subscribe to creators you follow. So under that, you will see the suggested subscriptions as well. Simply let's open the creator, and after that, you can tap the subscribe button and easily you will get access to subscriber badge, exclusive content, subscriber social channel, and subscriber broadcast channel as well. When you tap the subscribe button, you have to add a payment method and you can easily subscribe to that creator. So in order to cancel the Instagram subscription, simply what you need to do is open the profile of that particular user whom you have subscribed on Instagram, and simply you need to again tap on the subscribe button and unsubscribe them on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.